Hi, I'm Kim, Associate Editor at My Home Ideas. I'm going to give you some easy tips to remember next time you're setting the table. The first thing when you're setting a formal table is forks and knives, where do they go? An easy way to remember it is that fork has 4 letters, and so does left, so the forks are going to go on the left-hand side. We're having salad, which is the smaller fork, and we're having it first, so it's going to go closest to the outside of the napkin. And the dinner fork, which is larger, will go inside. You're working from the outside in with your utensils. You can set these anywhere you like on the napkin. It is proper etiquette to push them to the bottom, but these are just guidelines. You can do whatever you like, really. Next, knife has 5 letters, and so does right, so the knife is going to go on the right-hand side with the blade pointing in toward the plate. Spoon also has 5 letters in it, so it's going to go on the right. Tonight I'm serving soup, so I have a soup spoon I'll put right next to my knife. For dessert, we're serving cake and ice cream, so I have a spoon and a fork. An easy trick for dessert utensils is to think of them as cars. If the dessert fork was parked right next to the salad fork, you could drive up to the front, turn, and then finally park directly in front of the plate. Same with the dessert spoon. Put it next to the soup, have it drive up and turn, so they sit right in front of the plate. Finally, for the glasses, we're going to put them above the knife in the order that we're going to use them. Starting with our ice water glass, it's going to go closest to the plate above the knife. Then we'll serve wine, so our wine glass will go directly next to it. And finally, our champagne flute. Now, if these are too spread out, taking up too much space, just cluster them into a triangle. It looks nice with the different heights, and everything's there ready to impress.